Oh, hello, I didn't see you there. Quick question for you. What made you click on this video? Was it the eye-catching and breathtaking and awesome thumbnail of mine? Tell me it wasn't my thumbnail, I dare you, okay? Now, since you're here and since I have your attention, did you know that a great thumbnail can triple the click-through rate on your videos? Now imagine this. You've done everything right, okay? The keywords, optimization, tags, and you appear on the first page on YouTube or Google, okay? But nobody clicks on your ugly ass video, right? Because your thumbnails suck. Now, how would that feel if you had an important message to teach people or to share? Okay, now in this video, I'm gonna show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make great thumbnails, just like the one that you clicked before watching this video, right? I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. You also want to make sure to stay throughout the whole video because I'm going to give you some steps that you don't want to miss out, okay? Also, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing because on this channel, I upload videos every week with content on how to make your freedom online, okay? So you don't want to miss out any new content. Subscribe if you're new. Hit the bell notification icon so that you're notified on any new videos when I upload them. And without further ado, let's jump right into my computer and see the tutorial. So welcome to my computer. For this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you two options. I'm going to be showing you a free option that is very generous. You can play around and it gives you pretty much anything you need to make an awesome thumbnail. But also, I'm going to leave you with a paid option, which obviously will give you more flexibility and freedom to play even more, right? And customize even more. But for this tutorial, we're going to be using a website called Canva. Okay. If you don't know this website, don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description. But if you don't know this website, it's basically a website where even if you are a complete technical moron like myself and you don't have to worry about anything, you can design and customize absolutely anything from presentation, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, posters, infographics, logos, mind maps, anything that you can imagine. They have pre-made templates. A lot of them are free that you can play around and customize, right? So on this website, if you type in YouTube, for example, in the search bar, as you can see, it will give you some options. So you could just click on YouTube thumbnail and it will give you already the right size for a YouTube thumbnail, right? So you will then end up on a place like this, boom, right? And this is the exact thumbnail that you clicked on. And this is where you actually make it. This is the working station, the backend area. By the way, this is a thumbnail for my previous video about how to make an iconic logo, also using this website. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave the description or the video somewhere around here up in the card. It's going to appear right about now. Boom, right? And anyways, so I'm going to show you exactly how I made this thumbnail and how you can too. Again, this is for somebody who doesn't know Canva. If you know Canva, skip this part, but this is for somebody who doesn't know. On this part, you can search through templates, right? They have already pre-made templates that you can customize and play with. For example, they are sorted by categories like music, channel art, the beauty, travel, makeup, and all kinds of results that you can choose from, get inspired by, and play with and customize, right? Some of them are free, some of them are paid. You can also search through any niche or niche in this search templates, right? So on this side, you will see all the tools that you have at your disposal to make a great thumbnail that you want to design, right? So you have photos that you can upload, you have elements, text, music, videos, background, folders, and stuff like that. So let's just break down how I made this awesome thumbnail. As you can see, it has a background, color blue. It has this element, right? By the way, each element you can just drag and drop and move around and make it bigger and larger. For example, like this, if you click on an element, it will appear like this. You can make it shrink it down, make it larger, right? You have this element, which is myself. I can move myself as well. And you have all these elements, right? So as I told you before, this size is already exact size that you are going to need for your YouTube thumbnail. And you can just fill it out with new elements, new pictures, new photos, and things like that. So let's just try a blank slate. And let's just suppose that we want to make thumbnail about, I don't know, music. Let's see this one. So you can, for example, choose this already pre-made thumbnail, right? And for example, you don't like this option, right? So you just click, you just delete it, delete the group, and we'll delete the whole thing, right? And for example, you're a teacher. Let's suppose that you are a teacher and you play banjo, or what's it called? Banjo. I don't know. Anyways, let's suppose you're a teacher. This is you. It's beautiful, right? And you want to teach people on how to learn to play banjo in 1 month, right? So you choose this thumbnail, beautifully professionally made, and that you just want to add some, for example, some elements, right? So for example, in elements, as you can see, you have all kinds of options as well. Each tool here will give you so many options. For example, you can choose from lines, shapes, frames, stickers, charts, grids, gradients, coronavirus, and things like that. You can also choose elements by searching them by keywords. So for example, let's say, I don't know, I want to find a musical note, right? Let's see if they have some elements. And here we go. You see? And obviously, a lot of these are paid versions. So for example, you just choose the one that is free. For example, this one is free, right? Just click on it and boom, it appears immediately on your thumbnail. And as you can see, each element you can shrink down, you can make it larger, right? And you can even choose and change the colors. For example, as you can see, we have this and this color, and they appear right here. If you don't like the pink one, you click on it, and for example, choose this one, right? Or if you like this gray, you just choose it like that and leave it like that, right? So you can choose from the elements. And then what you want to do is, for example, add some text to it, right? So by the way, this you can move it around and, you know, rotate and things like that. So for example, I will move it over here, right? And do it like this, and boom, beautiful, right? Now, so for this example, let's just choose text that can, you know, really be eye-catching. For example, this one, right? So just click on the text, and then it will appear on your design. As you can see here, again, drag and drop. You can change it, you can move it, you can rotate it, you can make it larger, you can make it smaller, and however you wish. So let's see, for example, you say, so it's eye-catching. You can say, let's see what I'm going to do right here. In learn to play like a pro in just 1 month, right? Now, it got bigger. Don't worry about it. You can just play with it like that. And also, you can change the color, right? So you just click on this. And for example, you want it red, right? It's going to be red around it. The filling is not going to be changed in this particular font, right? You can make it like this or just black and things like that. So you have a beautifully designed, eye-catching, professionally looking thumbnail with a bold statement that people will click. Obviously, target people who are interested in learning to play this instrument, right? Forgive me if I said it wrong. For example, in here, right? As you can see, the text is inside a frame. So for that reason, you can just choose the frame from the elements, and I chose this one. So that's the frame, and you can make it bigger, you know, you can shrink it, make it slimmer like this, right? And then, for example, you want to move it over here. And if you want to be behind, not overlaying, you just click on position, just put backwards, and here we go. You have it like that, right? So you have it like that, or you can just, you know, simply remove it. So as you can see, everything is very much self-explanatory. That's the word. This is how you can play with Canva. You can use all these tools. You can upload your own stuff and put it in your designs. You can choose from so many different options, right? So as you can see in this free version, you can play around like a kid in the candy store. It really has a very generous free plan. However, if you, for example, choose some elements or you like some templates that are in the paid version, let's see the musical note, for example, and you see this one, it's Pro. If you click on it, you will just it will just appear with a watermark, right? So using the link in the description below, by the way, it will give you the awesome possibility to try the unlimited version for 30 days, a full month, right? And you can choose all the features that Canva has. For example, as you can see, it's right here. It has premium custom templates, right? For over 420,000 premium templates, all professionally designed and fully customizable, right? You can resize if you have to make a design for a specific pixels or length and width. You can resize it. It has this tool. It also has a background remover, as I showed you before. You can take a picture of yourself, but you don't like the background, just want to be yourself. You can effortlessly remove the photo backgrounds with just one click. You have Animator Pro, animate and design and save it as a GIF or MOV file. Premium fonts, you can choose from over 3,000 different fonts or you can upload your own, and you can also use unlimited folders, organize your workspace with unlimited folders up to 100 gigabyte storage, right? So I'll leave the link in the description. With this link, you will have the possibility to explore unlimited possibilities that have Canva for you for 30 days. And then if you decide to stay with this because you will fall in love with it, just like I did, it will just cost you, I don't know, about 10 or 11 bucks a month. And with that link in the description, you also have possibility to add up to 5 other people inside your plan. So you can even split the 10 bucks a month between 5 people, and it's just peanuts. It's nothing, right? So that's the link in the description that will give you this possibility, because this video is sponsored by Canva, right? Also, this video is sponsored by the big fat like button. So if you found this video helpful, if you now know and feel confident on how to make beautifully, professionally looking and eye-catching, breathtaking thumbnails, just like the one that you clicked on this video, give it a thumbs up, right? And I'm going to show you another option that I found on the internet for you, that if you don't want to go with the Canva route, I found another software that you can also choose that is basically a thumbnail generator, right? It's really awesome, also professionally looking. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. By the way, you're still here, still watching? Well, congratulations, because you made it so far in life. You're gonna do so well. You're gonna do so well in life. Congratulations. And as a bonus and as a thank you to make it up to this point, I want to give you a little pro tip to make your thumbnails even more eye-catching, okay? So check this out. So as you can see on the search bar, when you go on YouTube, the thumbnails are really, really like small. So what makes them even more eye-catching? Let's see, for example, in this one. So in Canva, okay, you want to click on the element, for example, the picture, that the thing that you want to underline. So for example, this one, I'm going to click on my face, right? And then I'm going to click on adjust, and I want to play with the saturation and blur, right? So let's say saturation, you want to go, see what happens? Gets warmer, or colder, right? So with the saturation, you want to go play around 20, between 20 and 30. That's depends. And with the blur, you just want to go minus, right? If you go all the way here, it's blurry. If you go in the minus, again, around 20, the more it's going to be clear, as you can see, right? See that? So that will help you underline the thumbnail even more. So that was the pro tip. Congratulations to making it up to this point of this video. And as I said, I'm going to show you real quick also another version, another thumbnail generator that you can utilize or use for your advantage if you like. It's called Thumbnail Blaster, right? Again, I'm going to leave the link in the description if you want to check this video out. It's basically a create attention-grabbing thumbnails in 3 clicks, right? It will give you it's a software. It's very similar to Canva. You also like make thumbnails by different style of videos, 69, 4, 5, 4, 4. You can resize them, right? You can create thumbnails like that. Pretty awesome. And again, it's for complete beginners or people who have no skills designing. It's very awesome, very convenient tool. Explore this page, explore the benefits. Easy to use, automation creation, drag and drop, design elements, 30 templates, any size. And you can also split test different thumbnails to see how they perform on your YouTube channel, right? So check this website out as well. They have all kinds of stuff there as well. Obviously, this one does not have a free plan, but I hear they are very popular in the video creating world community. So they have also some cool features. So if you want to check them out, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. And again, subscribe to this channel if you're new. I hope this video helped you. I hope it was all clear. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments box below. I will answer any questions, right? Give it a thumbs up because this helps the algorithm and it helps me to show this video to more people like you. And again, subscribe if you're new to this channel. I create content on how to make money online, how to create your freedom online. Till next time, take care.